Hi, I'm Andy Brocklehurst. Welcome to Bonus Stack AI. It is a well-known fact that affiliates offer bonuses, especially high-value congruent bonuses, always do better at making affiliate sales. So often the plain link has become an enemy these days. Now, the big problem has always been finding congruent bonuses and being able to put these packages together without it taking absolutely ages. I don't know about you, but as an affiliate, I don't want to have to spend as much time as it would take me to launch my own product just to do an affiliate campaign. And that's partly why I built Bonus Stack AI. So let me tell you what this does. You can take any bonus, any offer that exists on, say, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any of those platforms, particularly the ones that have a bonus delivery URL feature for affiliates to make use of, and both of the ones I just mentioned did. Many other platforms have it too. And what you do with that is you create a bonus that you are offering your buyers if they purchase through your link. And this is a quick way of building them because you can have AI do it all without any API costs, anything like that. I'm going to take you through how it works now. You can see examples of the output further down this page. I encourage you to check those out. So the example that's down the page is actually this one I have here. I did a bonus stack for this very product for Bonus Stack AI. So in this case, I put in my sales page web address there. This address would normally be my affiliate link. In fact, I can get my vendor tracking link from Warrior Plus and we can pop that in there. I deliberately haven't used an affiliate link because I don't want anyone that clicks on this as a demo to get cookied with my link. So, and then we have what niche it's in and who you're targeting, what your target audience is. And I'm just going to ask it to do 3 bonuses, but I'm going to give it one of those bonuses. And I'm doing that because I've actually set bonuses up in what we call the bonus vault. And the bonus vault lets you have bonuses you saved away for later. So I've got several in here, and I selected one of them to be included in this, which means it's going to have to create 2 additional bonuses. Now, you don't have to use these at all. If I got rid of that, it would create 3, but I want to leave one of my own unique bonuses in. You can optionally have the claim page collect email addresses. One of the big failings of these affiliate platforms is if you promote on social media, YouTube, things like that, you're sending people via this page, you're getting them to buy and collect your bonuses, but at no point do you get to collect an email address. Well, you can optionally ask them to confirm their details. Now, this does not talk back with Warrior Plus Zoo or any of the platforms, but it can send the details, and you can ask for just the email. You can also require the name and address, the customer's name rather, first and last. And you can optionally ask for an order transaction ID, which makes it look even more authentic. If you do this, you will need to use webhooks. That services like Zapier or Make or Pabbly. I would recommend make.com because you can set up a free account. Oops, there's make.com. You can set up a free account on Make, and it really is as simple as creating a webhook and then sending it to who you want to send it to. So if you want to do that for that sense of capturing, you can. If I was going to do that here, I would get that would be my webhook URL, which I would paste in there. And now when they get taken to the delivery page, they are asked to confirm those details and it sends it to your webhook, meaning you can capture the customer's details. I'm going to untick that and imagine that this was a campaign I was sending out to my existing email list, so I don't need to capture their details. You can randomize the page. You can regenerate it if you want to, if you want a different random page name. Each time you start a new project, it creates a completely new one anyway. And these settings are normally the same. Once you set them up, they're always set. You then go to this next page, and this will have made a prompt for you, which you can open in ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. It doesn't matter which. This prompt has been written So it will work in any of them. If I click open in ChatGPT, it puts it on my clipboard for me. So I can just hit enter. And now this is going to go away and generate everything it needs to do to give back to the software so it can create the download page, the offer page, any bonuses that it needs to make. So it's going to create 2 congruent bonuses for this offer. So that's going to whir away and do that. While that's doing that, I'm just going to tell you a tiny little bit about what else is in here. So I've already talked about the fact that you can ask buyers to confirm their purchase email. Everything that you use down here, you'll notice I haven't put a logo on from it. You don't have to. All of this is optional stuff. Really, the bare minimum you need to put in is the offer name, the sales page or affiliate link, and how many bonuses you want, and it can pretty much crack on and do it. So we will come back here. We will see if this is finished. Oh, it's just going. It's got a little bit. Now, this prompt does take a minute or 2 to run because it is actually creating a lot of content coming back, and it's formatting it up specially so the software can understand it. You can do this with a free ChatGPT account, a free Gemini account. You don't have to have a paid account. You may have to be logged in, but you can be logged in on the free account and run these prompts without any problem. When this is finished, we're simply going to copy everything by clicking the little copy button at the bottom, and then we're going to come back to Bonus Stack and we are going to paste it in here. In fact, that's the last time I did it. I'm just doing this again completely from scratch. So let's imagine this was a brand new offer. This would currently be blank when we came in here. We would grab that data. We would come back over here and we drop that in here. And the reason that we go out to a chat thing of your choice is to avoid API costs. And if you link this to your open API, you'd be running up a bill from using it. So we've completely got away from that. Now you have the option to edit anything and everything. I don't normally need to bother. I'm going to click preview. Here we have our claim page that tells us what the bonus is and what the bonuses are that are in the thing and how they can claim it. And then when they click that, that'll be your affiliate link. And it also quality checks the whole thing. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. It's ready to thing. Here's the mobile version if you want to check that. And it also creates the delivery page. And if this one had been one that captured leads, it would do that first. And here's the delivery page for it with all the download buttons. You simply download this entire thing as a zip and you can host it anywhere. And if you don't currently have hosting or anything like that, you will notice on the sales page, one of the fast action bonuses that we are offering on here is there's 2 bonus fast action reports that you get. One is how to get hosting, static free hosting, completely free, no ads on it, no nothing. There are various ways of doing that. They're all covered in that report. So if you don't have a hosting thing, now I just have a cheap shared hosting account with a company called Known Host, and I just upload my files there. It's dead easy to do, and we show you how to do that on the inside. So don't worry, there are little tutorial videos that explain every step of this in detail on the inside. We're also giving you a bonus, which I think is very valuable for any new affiliates. If you are getting frustrated with the fact that when you request approval on various platforms, you just get turned down because you've got no track record, this guide will tell you how to get around that. I have helped so many people with no track record get their start. And it just never fails. So this is the way to do it. On the sales page there, you can see what happens if you set up the confirmation of email. That's what they'll see first, and they have to put the details in and click the unlock button. You can host them absolutely anywhere. You don't have to be a designer. And the special launch price at the moment, when this launches in, we're a few hours from launch, you can see I'm still making the final video because we were just doing the final tweaks and improvements. We added the bonus vault in and various other features. As you'll see, my bonus vault has 8 bonuses, and yours will have none when it starts up. There is an optional bump offer when you check out where you can get these particular bonuses. This is over $500 worth of my own products, and that's if you bought them just for personal use. You're also getting the rights in the bump offer to pass those bonuses on to others. So that is what Bonus Stack AI is all about. On this on the page here, you will also find demonstrations of the output. So if you want to see what a claim page looks like, come onto the sales page here and you can actually see here is the claim page for the demo one that I've just shown you me building. And then on the same page there, you can actually see the delivery page and you can help yourself to these bonuses if you would like. You can download them. This isn't locked because it is just a demo. That is Bonus Stack AI, something that will create real usable bonuses. And let me just show you the quality of the bonuses. This one is a delivery bonus. So in actual fact, the PDF only contains details of how to claim. You know, how to claim, what you do, etc. That's all it needs to have in it. Let's pick one of the bonuses it's built for us. Let's take an affiliate bonus offer planner and let's download that and have a look at it. And here we have a simple 3-page, nothing fancy. This generally makes between 3 and 5-page little bonuses. You don't want these things to be massive and super intensive. These need to be things that people can quickly implement to give them the most value out of the product they're buying. But you can see they're beautifully formatted. They look great. And you know what? Just to give you an idea, I offered some bonuses with a product a couple of days ago, and I had people in my private members group commenting on the quality of the bonuses, and they were all entirely made with Bonus Stack AI. So there we go. That is Bonus Stack AI. Get it today. You get it at the best possible price. At the end of launch, it will go to full price. I will tell you as well, I like full transparency. So are there any upsells? Yes, there is a bump offer to get a done for you pack of bonuses that I've already mentioned. Then there is that's a bump. There is a one-time offer to get Promo Graphics AI that I have released previously. If you don't already have it, it's a great companion for this because it will make the nice graphics offering your bonus stack that you can use on social media. It's completely optional. And then I think we put Launch Leak, another of my previous products, in there as well. There is also an option for some live Zoom sessions with me that are happening. If you get under the FAQ, it gives you the dates of those. Again, completely optional. But if you want to come along, and this isn't just a webinar, this is a workshop. We will build you some successful affiliate campaigns while you're on the call. You'll go away and test them over that week. Come back, we do a Q&A the following week. If you want to get in on that, that's one of the optional OTOs. But you will notice all of the OTOs, while congruent, are completely optional. There is not a you buy this and then I hit you up with get the pro version. You get the full version with a bonus vault, with everything. Best price on this page right now. See you on the inside.